Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off keyboard typing sound on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on sounds and vibration. Now here scroll down and click on system sound, and here in sounds section you will see a Samsung keyboard button. So to turn off keyboard typing sound on your mobile, turn off this Samsung keyboard button. So after turning off this Samsung keyboard button, your keyboard will stop making sound. So that's how you can turn off keyboard typing sound on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.